Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Emerson from Australia, and in this video I'm going to actually talk about an amazing and incredible application which is available in Google Play Store, at the same time in Apple Store, which will give you a lot of information about IELTS preparation. Not only information but also give you a lot of resources so that you can stay in track and prepare yourself very well for getting your desired band score. So this application is really incredible. So I can vividly remember that when I was preparing myself for the IELTS test, at that moment I used to use this application frequently every single day, because this was my hope. I was getting a lot of things that I was actually looking for different sort of platforms in Facebook, YouTube, and sometimes in Google as well. So this application is full of information for IELTS preparation. At the same time, if you are struggling to improve your writing and speaking skills, I think this application will give you a lot of amazing, incredible information and amazing vocabulary ideas so that you can improve your writing and speaking. So let's talk about this amazing and incredible application that I used to use while I was preparing myself for the IELTS test. So if you just go to Google Play Store or Apple Store, just search IELTS Practice Band 9. So this is the application. So just search IELTS Practice Band 9, or sometimes you can search like IELTS Practice Band 9 Pro. So this application full of information for IELTS candidate. After installing this application from Google Play Store or Apple Store, if you just open this application, you will be able to see a lot of features there, especially a lot of topic. So for example, first you will be able to see that daily updates. So in daily updates section, what you're gonna get, you would get all the daily updates. So for example, yesterday there was a test, and in that particular IELTS test, a topic actually came up. So you're gonna get that particular topic in daily update. At the same time, you'd get a lot of amazing speaking part 1, 2, 3, and a lot of amazing, incredible ideas in daily update section, which is pretty much good, and some IELTS test as well. Not only that, in this application, if you just scroll down, you'd be able to see that IELTS writing task 1. So in this part, in this section, IELTS writing task 1, you would get the same IELTS diagram or charts in the same section. So for example, today from your coaching center, or today you learned something about how to improve your bar chart writing, or how to improve your pie chart writing for IELTS writing task 1, right? So as you have just learned it, you need a lot of examples, if I'm not wrong, right? So if you need a lot of same examples that consist of a lot of bar charts and pie charts, then just go to IELTS writing task section. So if you just click IELTS writing task section, you'll be able to see that there is like something written like bar chart, pie chart, mixed charts, maps. So if you just click there, you'd get a lot of resources, a lot of amazing, incredible examples, and their band score of that writing particularly, it's really high. So I wrote the same writing from that particular website, and I showed one of my actually teachers, and he gave me like 7. So the way actually they designed the writing section in writing task 1 or 2, these are not typical writing. These are the genuine writing, I must say that. So if you write the same way that is, in that particular website, you would get at least 6.5 in your writing, or if you can actually modify according to your question, maybe you would get more than that, like 7. I'm not actually telling you to get 7.5, because in writing 7 is fair enough. So if you go to writing task 2, you'll be able to see a lot of opinion essays and advantages, disadvantages, and then a lot of both views, opinion writing tasks there as well. So this is a pretty much amazing website for improving your writing, at the same time for improving your speaking. If you just go to speaking section, you'll be able to see there speaking topic 1. So these are actually consist of separate topics. So for example, neighborhoods, friends. So if we get any kind of questions that regarding about our friends, maybe you would get a lot of questions there. So just practice by yourself. Not only that, the fascinating thing that I have actually found in this website, and that is for speaking part 2. So when I clicked there, I saw that they actually included the audio, which was really incredible for me. And that helped me to improve my pronunciation at the same time. And also, like, after using this platform and application a lot of time, I found myself, my all the skills were actually improving. So I got another amazing thing, and that is like ideas for writing task 2. So there is an amazing options that is called IELTS ideas. So if you just click here, you'd get a lot of ideas for your writing task 2, which is fair enough for us to get a lot of information to what to write in a writing task 2 or what not to write. So definitely this is an incredible website, and I think I have already talked about some amazing YouTube channels that exist in YouTube for IELTS preparation. So they also mentioned in the channels. If you just scroll down in this application, you'd get another option, and that is called like IELTS channels. So just click there and you'd get a lot of channels which are recommended for you as your IELTS candidate. Last but not the least, if you are willing to improve your listening and reading at the same time, so if you just click those sort of options, you'd able to take some sort of test. So for example, just if you go to listening section, so just play the audio and take a test, and it's something like that, the computer delivery test. So it's really convenient for mobile user. And if you go through the reading one, same, so you would read a lot of amazing articles, and then you would answer those sort of articles questions. So that's it. So I think that this amazing and incredible application is fair enough for you that you are looking for to improve your IELTS, all the modules. So rather than wasting your time in social media platform talking about getting a lot of resources from social media and how to improve your writing and speaking section, I think that it's better to learn something from this application, especially from speaking and writing section 1, and then utilize or apply those sort of things in your day-to-day conversation and in your writing test. Hopefully this video might be helpful for you a lot, and I think that you're gonna actually download this application as soon as possible and utilize it. If you guys like this video, definitely don't forget to hit the like button and definitely subscribe my YouTube channel. I will talk about a lot of amazing another applications or websites later. Alright everyone, that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, take care and wish you best of luck to get your desired band score. Inshallah, we would meet in this country one day, inshallah. So till then, take care, bye bye, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.